Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your WordPress homepage and set a dedicated blog page in 2025. If you've ever wanted a professional looking site with a static homepage, stick around because this guide will make it super easy, step by step. First, let's access your WordPress dashboard. Open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the login button at the top right and select Continue with Google. Pick your linked Google account and you'll land right in your dashboard. Now, let's navigate to the customization area. On the left-hand menu, click Appearance, then choose Customize. This opens the WordPress customizer where you can make live changes and see them in real time. Next up, we'll configure your homepage. In the customizer, find and click Homepage Settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Homepage. Click it, and from the drop-down menu, select the page you want to use as your static homepage. This page will now serve as the main entry point for your visitors, giving your site a more polished and consistent look. But what about your blog post? WordPress makes that easy too. Still in homepage settings, find the post page option. Select the page where you want all your latest blog posts to appear. This keeps your content organized and ensures your visitors always know where to find your newest updates. A static homepage gives you better control over what your visitors see first. The customizer allows you to preview changes before publishing, so no surprises. Properly designating your blog page improves usability and can even help with SEO. And that's it. You've successfully set a static homepage and a dedicated blog page in WordPress. It's simple, professional, and perfect for business sites or anyone who wants a clean visitor experience. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.